In an exclusive report from Android Headlines, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold is confirmed to be getting a major design tweak. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold will feature a thinner hinge, which not only improves the feel in the hand but also makes the device slimmer overall. Thanks to these changes, Google has managed to increase the size of the outer display without enlarging the phone. The cover display has grown from 6.3 inches to 6.4 inches, while keeping the same physical footprint of last year's Pixel 9 Pro Fold. This makes it even larger than the Pixel 10 and 10 Pro from last year, where all the three models shared the same screen size. Another big addition is the full IP68 water and dust resistant. This will be the first foldable to reach with that level of protection. Most foldables, including Samsung's current lineup, only has IP48, which means limited dust protection. Though Oppo Find N5 manages IP8 and X9 ratings, but that does not cover dust. With IP68, Pixel 10 Pro Fold will be fully dust tight and capable of surviving immersions in water up to 30 minutes. That puts it ahead of most foldables when it comes to durability. Hope so. The price will be very good this time, with Samsung expected to increase the price by at least $100.